Welcome to Master Technical Drawing by Eric Isanga. On the board, we shall construct an irregular hexagon, given its 4 angles and its 5 side lengths. With the T-square, we draw the horizontal baseline and mark the point A. With the aim ruler, we set off AB equal to 81 millimeters. At A, the required angle is 112.5 degrees, which is 90 degrees plus 22.5. First, we construct the 90-degree perpendicular at A by the arc-stepping method. We bisect the right angle to obtain 45 degrees. We bisect the 45 to obtain 22.5. Added to 90, this gives the direction AF. Along it, we set off AF, 55 millimeters, and mark F. At F, the required angle is 120 degrees, which is 90 plus 30. We erect the perpendicular at F. From it, we step off 60 degrees. We bisect the 60 to obtain 30. Added to 90, this gives the direction FE. We set off FE, 72 millimeters, and mark E. At E, the required angle is 105 degrees, which is 90 plus 15. We erect the perpendicular at E. We step off 60 degrees. We bisect the 60 to obtain 30 degrees. We bisect again to obtain 15. Added to 90, this gives the direction ED. We set off ED 60 millimeters and mark D. At D, the required angle is 97.5 degrees, which is 90 plus 7.5. We erect the perpendicular at D. We step off 60 degrees. We bisect to obtain 30 degrees. We bisect to obtain 15 degrees. We bisect once more to obtain 7.5. Added to 90, this gives the direction DC. We set off DC 55 millimeters and mark C. Finally, we join C to B. This closing side is the result of the construction. We outline the finished figure. The irregular hexagon is complete. Its 4 given angles and 5 given sides are satisfied, and the closing side BC follows by construction.